What's better, solvent or water-based cleaning? The answer is it depends. It depends on your requirements, it depends on the goals you want to achieve, and how this can be fulfilled in the best way possible. Remember, you don't just want to achieve good cleaning results. You also want to do it in a way which is cost-effective and good for the environment. We have to consider different aspects: technical, economic and sustainable aspects. Let's start with the technical aspects. So, from the technical perspective, you need to think about the process before and after cleaning. To identify the contamination that you want to remove, you have to keep an eye on the process before cleaning. Depending on the chemical and physical behavior of the contaminations, you have to choose the right cleaning agent, solvent or aqueous. You have to keep an eye on the process after cleaning because this can lead to aqueous or solvents as a good solution. For example, if you can clean wet in wet, if the subsequent process is a water-based process, water is a good solution to clean. Here you can see that we put some drops of colored water into plain water. The result is that they both mix up so that no disturbance is expected. So water-based cleaning can be more efficient when you clean wet in wet. From the economic efficiency perspective, we have to have knowledge about the total cost of ownership. The total cost of ownership includes not only the cost for the equipment, it also includes the day-to-day costs like monitoring, stabilization, labor costs, and so on. Regarding the sustainability aspect, we have to have knowledge about the lifespan of the bath and the potential to recycle the liquid in the bath. The longer you can use the cleaning liquid, that reduces bath exchanges and avoids a lot of waste. Just to be clear, with both systems, aqueous and solvents, you can achieve highest cleanliness. Important question is, with how much effort and at what cost? In our next video, we will highlight 2 technical questions to consider when choosing the right cleaning agent. So we will see you there.